The importance of mindset in making money online. Hello and welcome. Making money online can be a challenging and rewarding journey, but mindset is an essential component of success. Do you know the power of mindset and how to cultivate a positive outlook for achieving online wealth? The power of belief. Belief in yourself, confidence and self-belief are essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to take risks, push through obstacles, and achieve your goals. Cultivating a sense of self-worth and confidence can help you navigate the ups and downs of making money online. Belief in the process. Making money online is a journey, and it requires patience and trust in the process. Success rarely happens overnight, and setbacks and failures are inevitable. It's important to trust in the process and have a long-term perspective on achieving your goals. By focusing on progress over perfection and learning from mistakes, you can stay motivated and persistent in the pursuit of online wealth. Belief in the unseen. Manifesting success through visualization and positive affirmations can help bring opportunities and success. By visualizing your goals and success, you can create a powerful mental image that can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your objectives. Positive affirmations can also help to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. Mindset is a critical component of making money online, and cultivating a positive outlook is essential for success. By believing in yourself, trusting in the process, and manifesting success through visualization and positive affirmations, you can overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Strategies for cultivating a positive mindset. Let's start with gratitude. Make it a daily practice to write down or mentally list the things you're grateful for. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life and your online business can help shift your mindset and increase your overall happiness and motivation. Visualize success. Spend time each day visualizing yourself achieving your goals and overcoming challenges. Imagine the feelings, experiences, and accomplishments associated with your success. This practice can help you stay focused and energized as you work towards your objectives. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out support and encouragement from like-minded individuals who share your goals and ambitions. By building a network of positive, motivated individuals, you can reinforce your positive mindset and find inspiration when needed. Set SMART goals. Create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your online business. This approach helps you stay focused, monitor your progress, and maintain a positive mindset as you work towards your objectives. Embrace personal growth. Invest in yourself through personal development resources like books, podcasts, or workshops. Continuously learning and growing can help you maintain a positive mindset and adapt to challenges more effectively. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and recognize that setbacks and failures are part of the journey. By treating yourself with compassion and understanding, you can maintain a positive mindset and bounce back from challenges more easily. Your mindset is a powerful tool in your journey to making money online. By implementing these strategies to cultivate a positive mindset, you'll be better equipped to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Remember, belief in yourself and the process, coupled with a consistent focus on positivity, can pave the way for success in your online ventures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Do not forget to watch other our videos. Thank you.